All right, so task number 8. I'll do the basic stuff that we always do pretty quickly. So setting up, cloning, and installing the packages. So I'll set up a virtual environment, and this is task number 8. So I'll say Python 3 minus m VM, and we'll call it task 8. Go into task 8. Oops. Clone the project. Install the requirements. All right, so what I'm gonna do is, the next step that I need to do is to set up the media files. So, whoops, let me just migrate, run the server. Oh, I need to open the project, right? So all I need to do here is just go to settings, go all the way down, and I set it up exactly the same way that I do with static, right? So just switch this around. Say media, whoops. All right. All right. Now I go to URLs. Copy this, switch static with media. All right. What's the next step? Now it says, add an image field to your restaurant called logo. This image should be optional. I'll say okay. So I'll go to models, add a field called logo. That is an image field, and it'll be optional. Null equals true, blank equals true. All right. What's next? Says display each object's image in the list and detail view. Now, before I do that, what I want to do is I would like to make migrations, right? Let's try to make migrations. So I'll say Python manage.py make migrations. Now I made migrations. What's the next step? I need to migrate. Aren't you guys wondering why you don't need to install Pillow? It was already part of the requirements file. All right. So let's run the server. Let's see what's the next step. Display each object's image in the list in detail. Okay. So I'll go to list.html. So you'll probably notice that there's some styling here. We'll learn all about that later. Okay. But in the meantime, I'm just going to add an image tag with restaurant.logo.url. Okay? And I'll be doing the Whoops. Okay. And I'll be doing exactly the same thing for detail. I'll just add it over here. Okay? Let's see what that looks like. Am I running the server? Yes, I am. The logo attribute has no file associated with it. Why? I need to add an if statement for what? To check if there's an image. So over here, I'll say if restaurant.logo, display it. All right, I'll take the same if statement and put it in the list page as well. So let's try to run it now. I refresh and it works, but these objects don't have any images, right? So what I'll do is I'll go try to add it from the admin. I'll go to restaurants. Let's go to this object, for example. I'll choose a file. Let's just choose this for now. Let's go back to the list. 1 second. Restaurants list. There it is. It's showing. It's ugly right now, but it's working. And it shows in the detail page as well, right? Okay. Cool. Cool. So let's see what's the next step. It says, I forgot to edit this. For you guys, it's just create. Don't worry about the update. Ignore it. So what do I need to change for the create view or the create over here? What do I need to add? The ink type. What should the ink type be? Multi-part form data. What's the other thing that I need to do? Requests. So I need to go to the views and say what? Request.files. So I'll go here and say request.files. That's it. That's task number 8. Right? If you want to do the update, just say request.files. And if you want to do the update as well, you go to update.html and you say ink type multi-part form data. Same exact thing. Cool? Sure. Back to the view. Yeah. After instance, right? It won't work. Because this is an argument. This is a keyword argument. It doesn't, it's arguments and then you put keyword arguments. I'm not going to explain the update. Yeah, so this is the update view. If we have time, I'll explain the updates. Deal? So if we have time, I'll teach you guys how to do update, delete, and maybe some other stuff. List.html. Sure. This is all we added. Cool? Just give me a second, guys.